In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Firebase authentication email templates and sender details. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these settings, how to update the sender name, and how to set up a custom domain so your emails look professional and on brand. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting the project you want to work with. If you manage multiple projects, double check that you're in the right one, because template changes apply at the project level. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Authentication. This area controls how users sign in and how Firebase communicates with them. Inside Authentication, find the Templates tab. Here you'll see a list of the built-in email types, such as email address verification, password reset, and email change. Think of this as your control center for the messages Firebase sends on your behalf. Choose the email type you want to customize and click the pencil icon to open the editor. In the editor, locate the From Name field. This is the display name that your users will see as the sender in their inbox. Enter a clear, recognizable name like My App Support or the name of your product. Keeping this consistent across all templates helps users immediately trust and recognize your messages. By default, Firebase sends from an address that looks like Noreply at your project ID, firebaseapp.com. That works, but if you want a branded experience, click the Customize Domain option. This lets you use your own domain, such as example.com, so your from email can appear as something like support@example.com. When you choose this option, Firebase will guide you through verifying that you own the domain. Typically, this involves adding one or more DNS records at your domain registrar. You'll copy the exact values Firebase provides and paste them into your DNS settings. DNS changes can take time to propagate, sometimes minutes, sometimes longer, so be patient. It's a good idea to double check for typos and ensure you're editing the correct DNS zone. Once verification succeeds, the editor will allow you to use your custom domain for the sender. After you've set the from name and, if applicable, configured the custom domain, review your content for clarity and branding. When everything looks good, click Save. Your updates will apply to future emails of that type, so new password resets, email verifications, and similar messages will reflect your customized details. That's it. You've tailored your Firebase authentication emails to look polished and trustworthy, boosting user confidence every time a message lands in their inbox.